You see this comment here, yeah? This comment was left underneath that video where I'm talking about in the Jamaican households, the younger siblings are not trained to respect their older siblings. The older siblings do not have authority over the younger siblings and that. That video there is done the Ras Clark rounds. So this account here is JY's TV 2.0 officer. I got the JY's TV regular account. I posted up that video there as well. On that account there, let's say for example it got like 12 or 15,000 views. There's a Instagram page called Made You Think. Most of you lot will know who Made You Think is. That video got taken from the JY's TV account and put on the Made You Think account. That video there blew up, it went viral. It got 130,000 views in one day. I saw a similar comment to this on the Made You Think page under my video. And a chick was saying something along the lines of like, why are you dissing Jamaicans? Are you one of these people that just because Afrobeats is in fashion now, everyone want to be Nigerian and want to forget that they're Jamaican and that? Let me tell you something, right? Like, a man don't really respond to these sort of comments and that often. I see this comment this morning, like 10 minutes ago. I thought, I have to set you lot straight in here. Let me show you something, yeah? For you lots that think that man don't want to be Jamaican and man's not proud to be Jamaican, I'm a proud fucking Jamaican, yeah? Most of you lot, and I ain't taking nothing from you lot if you don't have a flag in your yard and that, yeah? It don't make you less Jamaican or more Jamaican, but at the same time, I'm a proud Ras Clark Jamaican, yeah? I love being Jamaican. Obviously, you lots that's just new to man on TikTok and that, you lot don't watch my YouTube videos, but there's bare videos where I'm sitting in my kitchen and in the background, you lot can see the Jamaican flag. I'm proud to be Jamaican, but one thing I've observed, I'm just an observant man. You can't blame me for being an observant man. I've noticed that in the Jamaican households and that, and this is the thing, people got this thing twisted, yeah? Maybe I should have broke down the difference between respect and authority and that. Yeah, my younger siblings, they have to respect me, yeah? Or else we won't talk. I will remove myself from their life, yeah? So, yeah, my younger siblings, they respect me. If they don't respect me, then we just won't talk. A lot of people think that, because I saw in the comment section, a lot of people say, what are you talking about? Your younger siblings don't respect you. My younger siblings respect. Yeah, your younger siblings respect you, but you do not have authority over them. Yeah, there's a big difference in that. A lot of people think that just because their younger siblings don't disrespect them, by default, their younger siblings respect them, and by default, they have authority over their younger siblings. That is not the case. That is not the case. Maybe I should have brought down the difference between respect and authority in that video more, but I just assumed that, you know, people would know, innit? But literally, when I was thinking about like my African brothers and that, them man there, they have authority over their younger siblings. Whether their younger sibling is 1 or 2 years younger than them, whether their younger sibling is male or female, and that it doesn't matter. They have authority and that. Don't get it twisted. My little sister respects man. If I tell her what to do, she's going to do it. What I'm saying is, man doesn't have that 100% authority. Like, you know, like when their parents are about and that, little children, they will kind of like misbehave a little bit more than when it's just me and her. Let's say I'm out and about with my sister. 110%, 1,000% man's got authority over her and that, whatever. But obviously, if I'm in the house with my little sister and that, she will try to act up a little bit. She still respects me. My little sister's never said nothing rude to me. Don't get it twisted. I might try and annoy her because I'm close to my little sister. I'll go up to her and give her a hug and a kiss and that. She'll be like, go away, leave me alone and that. But my sister's never disrespecting me. Never. One time when she was like 3 years old, this little girl just come running into the living room one time randomly. Me and my mama talking. She's like, hey, you, shut your mouth. I just stuck it on her. She's never said nothing like that to me since. Little kid, get me, just saying things that she shouldn't be saying and that. But my sister's never disrespected me, nothing like that. You know what I'm saying? But at the same time, the authority hasn't been implemented by the parents and that. Because like I said in that video, let's say for example, I tell my sister to do something and the parents say no, well then you're undermining my authority and that, like you're undermining me telling her what to do. Similarly, I would never do this, and I was explaining this to my barber, big up man like John Barber. Let's say I tell my sister to do something. Yeah? If I tell my sister to do this and my stepdad says no, that's the end of it. I'm not going to override his authority. That's a big violation. Yeah? If I'm a father and I tell my child to do something and someone tries to undermine my authority, we're gonna have rumbles and tumbles. There's no way, under any circumstances, anyone, if I tell my child to do something and someone tries to tell them no, we're gonna have a fucking problem. So likewise, if I told my sister to do something and my stepdad said, no, you're not doing that, that's the end of it. Man gotta respect him for it. I'm not training my little sister to not listen to her father. You understand what I'm trying to say? Similarly, I was saying this to my barber the other day when I was getting my hair cut 2 days ago. There's certain mums out here, they train their child by default to not respect the father. Whether the father is present in the house on a day-to-day basis or whether they're co-parenting from different locations, whatever, innit? Yeah? Part-time dad, whatever, innit? When the mum says stuff like, oh, your dad's an idiot, what, your stupid dad and that, you are training your child not to respect their father. You don't, the mum doesn't even need to say stupid dad or anything like that. It could just be something so simple. The child could be in the room, the auntie could come over to the house or whatever. The auntie could mention the father's name in front of the child to the mum. And the mum could just pull her face, what him or whatever, innit, yeah? Making them gestures and them comments and that you're training that child not to respect that father. So just them little things, just the little tiny things. Yeah, little tiny things, but under no circumstances would I ever undermine like my stepfather or whatever, because I take respect seriously. So yeah, my little sister, she respects man and that, but man don't have that 100%, 1000% authority and that. And I believe I should, because at the end of the day, my mum and stepfather know this. If something happened to them, if they both passed away, I'm looking after my little sister. No one else is taking on my little sister. Yeah, I got a 3-bed house, I got a room for her, I got 2 other properties and that. So man's good for accommodation for my little sister, innit? If I'm gonna put myself in line to be the next father or parent figure for my sister, when my parents are about, I should have that authority over my sister regardless. Obviously, like I said, if I say something to my sister and my stepfather, my mum says no, then that's the end of it. Unless I feel like, nah, they're being unreasonable, I will challenge them. But if they're not being unreasonable, I ain't going to challenge them, because I'm making them know that her parents have the most authority over her, innit? Yeah. So that's just why I feel like man should have authority over my little sister, because you know what, if something happened to my parents and that, I'm the next one in line. Just to get back to the original point of the video, man's a proud Jamaican. Man, not dissing, no. I get annoyed when people think that I look Nigerian and that. I don't want to look like nothing that I'm not. I want to look like a Jamaican. Like, I like when people know that, yeah, man's a black man on the phone. Like, why would I want to sound like a white person on the phone? You understand what I'm trying to say? Like, I want to look and sound how the fuck I am, innit? But yeah, man, that's it for today, man. You lot enjoy your day, man.